Man, the memories.
Dickensville.
What?
Dickensville.
Cool again, cool again, cool again.
Look how big Fluffy hat. That's so hot.
Monkeys. Hey, Colin. Morning.
How are you?
Great, how are you? Would you do 10 for the two?
Sure.
Cool. Let me keep looking though. See what else I can find. Oh, you got a rock Santa?
I got a bunch of other specific players if you have a favorite or something like that.
And I've got a ton of cards. I lived in Florida and used to grow up watching Kansas City spring training. Baseball City in Queen City, Florida.
Oh yeah.
Unfortunately, the box era of baseball cards has never been.
What'd you find?
In my class, he said that he had some rocks and it was wood that rotted over and it got so rotted that it's from a tree and plantings and it got so rotted it becomes a rock.
So it's like petrified wood.
Yeah.
I think is what they call that. That's pretty neat.
And these kind of look like it.
Those are cool.
New cards opening up at Apex.
Oh, really? Where?
Out on Highway 55.
Edge Science Telescope.
Right there. You go back there and a little. The shop's been open in the Cary Mall for a long time.
Okay, same guy?
The same guy. He's got about 7,000 square feet that he's doing nothing but cards and trading and hobby stuff. I went over there yesterday and he showed me around.
Oh, cool. That's
It's going to be really, really nice.
Nice. Let's go check it out.
I don't understand how this holds CDs.
When you just slide them all in.
They slide in like.
So you know the boxes that they come in.
Yeah.
They slide in like this,
Ah.
and then you can spin it. These little
cool.
things are stoppers. So like if you line them all up and they only stop here,
Oh.
then you put one of those to hold them upright.
That's
And then
pretty
the whole
neat.
thing spins so you can.
I might get that. Colin, this is good for behind a Zoom call.
Yeah, I'll have one like that.
Yeah.
Like that. Do you want it then? It's $60.
I know. I do not. Winnie the Pooh. What is this? Munchkin Legends. Throwing it back in. Oh, Colin, that's cool. A rocket ship.
Yeah, I was thinking about getting it for landing.
I like it. Dude, do you remember the old 3D art?
Oh, yeah.
And if you look at it, it's the Statue of Liberty.
Okay.
Anna, do you see the Statue of Liberty in
I
there?
always struggle with these.
What is this?
It's a piece of art. It's a fish.
Ah.
It goes,
I think
that
it's
way.
broken.
Okay.
I think it's broken. Keep staring at it.
Yeah, you gotta like cross your eyes.
Yes. Yeah,
It's
you
really
have to, like,
challenging.
You can't look straight at it. You kind of have to look at it almost out of the side of your eyes.
Yeah.
Here's the 12.
I'll take the silver.
The CD case in there.
That was 5, right?
Yes.
What, Anna?
I'm crossing my eyes.
You don't see it?
No.
You gotta just like stare at a spot.
These are cool.
Yeah, if you focus, then you can't see it. It's almost like you have to like stop focusing on it.
I was never good.
Are these old?
They hurt my eyes.
They've been around for a while, yeah. They've been in a box for most of their lives.
Cool.
Dave, I think this would do really well on you, buddy.
Oh yeah, totally.
It's your pip pack.
Yeah.
And
Froggy.
this rivets.
Ooh. Okay, so I can get these all for $1. I'll do that.
Trying to figure out. There it goes.
It's $1. That's for these 3.
Alright.
Anna, you see this? Are you still trying to see the? We've got her. You know.
Did you ever see it?
Did you see it? You gotta like. It's glass. Oh. Like cross your eyes.
There's also some clothes.
No, I don't see it.
I don't either.
Like,
Maybe it broke. All right. Thank you. Grab my little elf.
And I don't know if that. I can't remember if these are all screwed together. I might hold that from the bottom
Okay.
if I were you.
You like the little elf?
It is all screwed together.
Oh, it is?
so
Okay.
it's
Oh.
pretty sturdy.
Get him too. Cool. Thank you guys.
we got reindeer.
Yeah. Oh, that gumball machine is cool. Ooh. Hi. Hello.
Where did Colin go?
It's right there.
Oh.
Love your shirts.
Thank you.
So,
Oh wow, how much is this? That's old school.
would you do 10?
You throw this in?
I don't know what that is.
I don't either, but it looks like
My husband just left, but
this looks like a little game thing you plug into.
mm-hmm.
Yeah, $10.
Yep.
Okay. Is this?
Those are probably
These are the games. They come with it, or that's separate? They're for it.
Can we do like? Can you do
15?
Like, yeah.
Yeah, I'll do 15.
Yeah.
Cool.
That's awesome.
She's
He's
looking
gonna
for
be
a
great.
wagon. You don't have a wagon for sale, do you?
No, we
She's
did.
desperate for a
couple
wagon.
years ago, a wagon. Oh, let me get changed. Oh, I hope I have to.
Colin, remember these? Dreamcast?
Yeah, man.
Old school. Bring back the memories. No 5s? I might have change in my car if you don't have.
I think I have 2 in my purse. I'll just run in.
Okay, cool, thank you. So, man, the memories.
Dickensville.
What?
Dickensville.
You remember this, dude? $15.
My turn.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'll play this today.
Oh, you gonna play?
Yeah, heck yeah. I wonder if these are like ripped games. I wonder if they'll work.
Derek Jeter.
Oh, cool.
4, 5. There you go.
Awesome. Anna, they have no wagon. Are you okay? Is the depression too great? She was chanting wagon the whole way here.
Oh man.
It's like wagon,
That's a
wagon,
bummer.
wagon. I was like, you'll find one eventually. Oh, look at this. How much are these like little porcelain houses?
So it depends.
Oh, okay. Individual?
They're all, well, you can buy the whole thing if you want, but that'll be a lot.
Big dollars?
Well, because they're all brand new, and
Oh,
if
yeah.
you were to buy them like this individually a long time ago was $10.
Okay.
So like,
Yeah.
if you want them all, I can say like $100 for all
Yeah,
of it.
yeah.
But if you want something
I
individual,
don't know. My wife's always talking about these.
I know. I wanted to put them all.
You didn't
up,
want
but
to set it up, or?
I don't have a space
Ah, okay.
to set them
Yeah,
up.
where would we set it up in our house? Now that I
See,
think about it.
I just don't have enough surface areas. Our
Yeah.
house is fairly open, so there's not.
That's what ours is too.
But if you had a nice, like,
Well, we have a bench we could put them on. I don't know.
well, I can tell
don't
you that if I was a woman,
Yeah.
which I am, I wanted to put these up badly, but I just could not.
Yeah, yeah.
But if there were a few pieces that you liked,
Yeah, like how much would just like one be? If she wanted to get her one house?
this one, 10.
10.
Yeah.
Okay. And then like a smaller one would be like 5 or something? Okay.
Yeah.
have to
But
ask her.
There's really cool pieces though. I mean, like the little carolers and.
Let me I'll get my phone. I'll send her a picture, see what she thinks.
Okay. They're all brand new. They've only been open to look at.
Okay. Oh, let me carry this out to my car though. What are those books, Hannah? I texted her. We'll see what she says.
It's pretty cool.
Puzzles.
Little puzzle pieces.
categories. Tell me, you got a poker set?
Dead
I
girl.
do. One I hardly use.
Yeah. Well, you know, if you got some friends, you could.
I think that's what my husband thought. If
Yeah.
I had some friends, I could play poker. We have a loft bed. I don't know if you guys are interested in the loft. It's just not out.
Oh, no, I like.
No.
We actually have 2 already,
Oh, well then you're good.
so I don't need any more. LuLaRoe.
But there's a ton more here that's new. Like there's these bags full of it if your wife is into that.
Okay.
And they're priced to
Into
sell.
LuLaRoe. I think she is. We're actually not too far from here. I might just send her over here.
I mean,
honestly.
these are all brand new.
Let her look through your Christmas stuff.
Yeah. That sounds great. Good morning.
Oh, these are kind of cool. Colin, did you see these?
Aren't they cool?
Cute.
Who gave this to Josie?
Right. We're dead.
I guess that's all I need here.
Good to go?
What are you thinking? Yeah,
Yeah. I think
I think I'm probably good here. Come on, Anna, let's roll.
all right, bro. I'm gonna head home. Thank you.
Bye.